Oh, nice. Nice. So, bakbaka na, palitan ng idol. Nice. Yun, tumama si Diniega. Uy! Hala! Oh! Nahulog!
Matapos ang sunod-sunod na panalo ng ating kababayan na si Arvid Diniega ay nito lang July 5, 2025 ay nabigyan ito na pagkakataon na mapalaban sa isang world title fight na kung saan naimbitahan ang Pinoy sa bansang South Africa upang harapin ang kanilang pinagmamalaki na pambato, ang South African rising boxing star na si Charlton Babypin Malajika. May ring record ang South African boxer na 7 wins, 3 knockouts at 1 talo. Habang si Arvid Diniega ay may ring record na 11 wins, 7 knockouts at may 1 talo. Nakataya sa laban ang vacant IBO, World Youth Bantamweight title. Samantala, bagaman baguhan pa lang sa pro boxing ang Aprikano, ay sanay naman na ito makipagbakbakan sa taas ng ring dahil galing lang ito sa amateur boxing. At naging 8-time South African amateur champion si Malajika. Kaya naman hindi madaling laban ito sa Pinoy, lalo't sa baluarte ng Aprikano ginanap ang laban. Tungayan kung paano nakipagsabayan at nakipagbugbugan ang Pinoy kontra sa South African boxer.
Youth Bantamweight title. Ito ay ang laban ni Arvid Diniega. Laban Charlton Malajika.
Opponents from the Philippines are very, very tough ones indeed. And we saw that earlier on from Richard Garde.
Ito pa lang ang Pilipinong boksingero dyan mga idol is ang naka red gloves, tapos ang Afrikano ay naka black gloves. Kaya naman match-match lang ang labang ito mga idol. Pariho ang dalawang bokserong may iisang talo.
As Charlton Malajika did against Flina Makoba at Empress Palace on the 2nd of March this year. Right to the body by Malajika.
Well, the fight started at a slow pace and now it's picking up action in the 2nd minute of this bantamweight contest. There's a war on coming up. There's no doubt about it. There's going to be a war there.
1-2 by Diniega.
Reaction from Charlton Malajika. He's almost inviting Diniega in, catch him on the counter as he did there with that body punch and then the left-right combination.
Ito pa lang si Charlton Malajika mga idol is dating 8-time South African champion sa amateur. Kaya naman asahan natin na magaling ito sa puntusan.
Not quite releasing the right jab, but he dangles it out there. Does the man from the Philippines. His first fight outside of the Far East. Did have one fight.
Uy, tinamaan si Kabayan.
He's only lost as well.
Straight by Malajika sa katawan.
Bantamweight title against Saul Sanchez from the USA in October 2003.
Gaya ng naunang Afrikano mga idol, katawan din ang tinatarget nitong Afrikano sa Pinoy. Uy!
14 seconds to go. Oh, good punch from Diniega.
10 seconds right for the bell.
Good punches from Malajika. We have a real fight on our hands. The IBO Youth Bantamweight title.
Ito na mga idol, round number 2.
Bell sounds for the start of round number 2 of the scheduled 10 for the IBO Youth Bantamweight Championship.
Straight.
12 rounds. No, it's 10 rounds.
10-round fight.
Mas matangkad pala itong Afrikano kaysa sa Pilipinong boksingero mga idol.
Youth world title, I must say.
At mas mahaba ang kanyang reach. Uy, tinamaan.
Bob and Wee from Malajika certainly does have a lot of skill about him. Filipino box is always difficult, and suddenly just his body language seems to be more on the back foot here in the 2nd round by the crusher Diniega.
Yeah, he's looking for the bomb.
Kalmado lang si Kabayan dito mga idol. Nag-iintay lang sa tamang pagkakataon para makatama ng solido.
There's a bit of marking underneath the left eye.
Habang itong Afrikano, ganyan no. Pumupuntos siya talaga mga idol. Kasi nga 8 times amateur boxing ito. Boxer, amateur 8 times amateur boxing champion.
Nice right hand in there from Danny Yeager, but I tell you what, Sultan Malajika's not holding back. These two can fight.
Danny Yeager's swinging. When I can punch.
Masyadong malaki itong Afrikano.
Behind the jab is the young Malajika.
Kagaya kay Garde.
Malajika.
Maliit si Garde. Uy!
The commentary boxer with us just now.
Parang nangisay bagya ang Afrikano dun.
Just for a moment, I thought Malajika's legs showed a little bit of give, but he fights back with a nice right hand of his own.
Sayang, hindi pa natuluyan.
Yeah, it's almost like Malajika was hurt, and then he came back with his own bombs.
Uy, nice. Right hook by Deniega.
Both of these boxers appeared
Ito pa lang si RV Deniega, mga idol, is isang southpaw. Tapos itong Afrikano is isang orthodox.
You can see that every punch
Kaya naman subject talaga ito sa untugan. Asahan natin na may untugan talaga dito sa laban.
power punches.
nice left hand from Malajika. They both won by way of a knockout in their previous bouts. Sultan Malajika against Inamakova for Danny Yeager against Jello Balcaiso in Isulan.
Malajika's using the jab effectively, outboxing his man.
Now, it's starting to look like that, and we coming towards the end of round number 2, but all of a sudden, it's the box. It's almost like a boxer against a fighter situation, which is classic in the sport of boxing. But
Uy,
Malajika is showing some great composure. Schedule 10,
ito na mga idol, round number 3.
World Youth Bantamweight Championship.
Uy, tinamaan pa si Kabayan doon sa huling combo.
Malajika.
Na straight by
Malajika likes to go
Deniega pero na-counter agad ng 1-2.
loves the battle. And as far as we know, Danny Yeager is the same.
Uy,
You can see he's the same.
sign of frustration yun.
From the Filipino boxer. Slightly taller.
Uy, nice straight.
Lovely punches to the body from
Ganda ng tama ni Deniega yun pero nakabawi agad ang Afrikano.
right hand from Charlton. Nothing really coming back from the crusher at the moment.
He's swinging well.
Nakakatama na maganda si Kabayan dito mga idol pero
Malajika's taking it well so far.
agaran ding mabawian siya ng Afrikano. Uy, nice hook. Nice right hook by Deniega.
Pinned himself to a punch before reacting, and when he does react, Malajika
Oh, pinapatagal ng referee.
single punch. Oh, he gets caught with a left hand. It's a good punch from Danny Yeager, wasn't it?
Brilliant punch.
Nice counter by Deniega.
Oh, with a nice return with a left-right combination.
Tinamaan siya pero nakaka-counter siya dun.
Danny Yeager's favourite boxer, Manny Pacquiao. I don't think that's any great surprise.
Definitely not. Manny Pacquiao,
Ay, masyadong nag-aantay sa Deniega.
different weight division.
Oh, nice.
Good left hand.
From Danny
Nice.
Another nice left hand from Danny Yeager. Well, I'll tell you what, it's a great fight back from
So,
Malajika.
bakbakan na, palitan ng idol.
From the attack here.
Nice body by Deniega.
Both fighters are bombing punches. Danny Yeager's landing good punches. Malajika comes.
Bahagyang nasaktan dun ang Afrikano mga idol pero agaran ding nakabawi.
Little bantamweight can punch. There's no doubt about that. Weighing in at 53 kilograms, they can crack. Good right hand, Malajika. He's drawing Malajika in, Danny Yeager. He's going to be dangerous.
Naka-puncher din ito si Deniega mga idol kasi sa 11 panalo nito, 7 nito pinanalo niya sa isang knockout.
Here with 30 seconds remaining in round number
Kaya naman hindi natin makakailang may power itong Pilipino mga idol.
looking for the other to unleash first before they counter-attack, and then he comes storming in, does Danny Yeager. Sultan Malajika ties him up very comfortably.
Better round for Danny Yeager.
Straight.
Malajika still trying to clean a punch.
Uy, tinamaan si Kabayan dun.
Malajika, another right hand from Malajika. Looking to steal the round here with some round number 4 for schedule.
Ito na mga idol, round number 4.
There, Danny Yeager against Malajika. Danny Yeager
So far so good ang pinagpakita sa laban ni Kabayan dito mga idol.
in the black trunks gets
Pero mas accurate lang talaga itong
in
amateuristang Amerikano.
Fighting out of the East End, out of the South Hills.
Nice counter by Diniega.
Not afraid to take a punch.
Pero ang counter ni Diniega pa isa-isa lang mga idol.
He's loading up with everything. Is Daniega. The Punisher. Baby Payne is taking it well. Boxing smart. The younger Malajika.
Katawan again. Tinamaan agad si Kabayan sa katawan.
Ricardo Malajika, the world champion. And he's boxing a good fight. The work rate's gone down a bit here in round 4. Malajika still using the jab.
Nice step jab by Diniega.
Daniega needs to up the work rate.
Uy, nice overhand by Diniega. Kailangan talaga dito ni Kabayan is taas-taasan niya ang kanyang work rate or activity sa laban.
Malajika says there's one for you.
Kasi na-outclass siya. Nice body by Diniega pero kumounter agad itong si
Goes off balance.
Malajika.
Sultan goes on to full attack.
But like you were saying, given what he's doing so well tonight, he looks very mature tonight, is Charlton Malajika. You know, his 8th fight. He's moving good with angles, side to side, swiveling well, and controlling the pace of the fight. Well, it's his 9th fight tonight. He's had 7 wins and 1 loss.
Nice counter by Diniega. Counter again by Diniega. Uy, magandang mga counter ni Diniega dito mga idol.
Just let that punch to the body on the crouch from Baby.
Straight. Tinamaan siya, walang reply.
Baby Payne and the Punisher going toe to toe.
Isang magandang laban ito mga idol. Ito ang laban talaga na walang atrasan. Matira matibay talaga.
For the South African.
Let him go, let him go, let him go. Well, he said he loves Manny Pacquiao.
Don't
Tell
only
you
you
what,
can, okay?
he fights a bit like Manny Pacquiao. He's RB Daniega. Round number 4, we just joined us.
Uy, nice. Nice right hook by Diniega pero bumawi agad itong si Malajika.
World title. And it's a cracker.
Nag-iipon talaga ng puntos itong Afrikano mga idol.
Malajika was commentating alongside with us, but he's not commentating
Nice body.
this fight because he's gone off to support his brother. Time called by referee Dion George.
Okay, it's the second time this round.
Galit na itong referee.
He accepted by referee Dion George, but Ricardo Malajika.
Galit na galit ang South African referee.
Achieved so far. It's not an easy fight by any stretch of the imagination as the clapper boards.
Uy, tinamaan si Kabayan sa clinch.
In round number 4, in round number 5, I beg your pardon. No, 4.
Ito ng mga idol, nasa kalagitnaan na tayo ng laban, round number 5.
10 and a left hand from
Ito
Charlton.
pala schedule for round 10 rounds mga idol.
Another right hand
Straight, tinamaan si Diniega sa isang
from Charlton.
straight pero dumugo agad ang ilong ni Diniega mga idol.
And then the left hook.
Malakas pala ang tamang yun.
That's a bit of a interesting start from the South African.
Nag-nosebleed na itong si Diniega mga idol.
Diego, by the way.
Dahil dun sa isang right straight na tumama.
Well, what did we expect, Kevin?
Use
Both
again,
these fighters
keep
only
your
had
weight up.
one
You'll be
loss.
ducking to the
11 wins for Daniega, 1 loss. 7
Nice
wins
body
for
by Diniega.
1 loss. We've got 2 good fighters.
And this is what you want when you're fighting for a title, whether it be a full senior title or a youth title, as this one is. But
Nice body by Diniega. Sabayan.
good punches from Danny Yeager, and he ships a left hook, and he ships another left hook for his trouble from Charlton Malajika. Oh, lovely left hand from Malajika. What I like about him is he snaps the punches and then just leans back and avoids any damage coming back from the boxer from the Far East.
Daniega is coming
Tinamaan na naman siya.
looking for the big bomb.
Bahagyang tahado itong si Malajika pero
Tagged coming forward
mataas lang ang accuracy talaga nitong boksingero na ito. Nice.
by Charlton Malajika. Now it does get caught.
Tumama si
Danny Yeager
Diniega
to go away anytime soon.
pero binawian agad ni Malajika dito mga idol.
Both of these fighters have suffered only one loss, and both of those, or each of those losses has been by unanimous points decision.
Nice body pero bumawi agad ng counter ang itong Afrikano. Yun.
Lovely right hand.
Solid. Tinamaan si Kabayan doon ng solid.
Right, Malajika.
Delikado.
Left hand from Danny Yeager.
Delikado kung maipon tong mga pinsalang natatamo ni Kabayan dito sa laban mga idol. Kasi lalambot talaga siya dito.
This is what fight patrons
So kung magtatagal ito,
this is what fight patrons
yun, tinamaan na naman. Nice.
to watch.
This is what the fight game's all about. You want to see the best in the world competing against each other. These two guys, 25 years old, 28 years old, youngsters in the game, and they are bombing each other.
Double punch by yun.
One for you, one for me.
Palitan talaga sila mga idol.
Okay, so both fighters can take a punch. Both fighters can show that they can deliver and throw leather as well in the center of the ring. 15 seconds to go before
Ito talaga ang laban ng mga matitibay. Palitan lang ng suntok. Kinakain lang nila ang mga suntok ng bawat isa mga idol. Oh.
from the two contestants.
Ang titibay. Oh,
Malajika.
ito na mga idol, round number 6.
Start of the second half of the fight. Round number 6.
Simula na ng second half ng laban mga idol.
Malajika slightly on the defensive. You couldn't say that much because he has been pretty effective on the front foot so far. As Malajika hasn't landed a punch yet, and Deniega tries to
Miss,
fetch into
di tumama si Deniega doon mga idol.
Deniega still very dangerous.
Isang malaking nimpis.
Left hand at the southpaw stance. But he's getting peppered with a jab while he's waiting.
Maganda rin talaga ang head movement nitong
and I think that's
Afrikano.
the key is the key to a classical boxing style boxer, and that's what Charlton Malajika has shown. Not afraid to throw leather, not afraid to throw punches, but he's got such a beautifully classic style as Charlton, and Deniega, as you say, patient, doesn't use the jab much, just waiting for an opening, waiting for his
Uy, upper.
to throw a punch.
Hindi tumama. Tinamaan pa si Kabayan ng counter doon.
From Malajika.
Kasi hindi siya tumama.
Yeah, Malajika's outboxing his man.
Tapos oh, napaka-accurate ng jab nitong si Malajika.
Good fight and a strong fighter.
Nice jab rin by Deniega.
Science on the outside. Malajika's peppering away with that jab.
Tindi rin ang accuracy nitong Afrikano.
And it's interesting, Brian, exactly what you say.
Halos bawat bitaw niya is tumatama ng sulid.
Just looking for a come forward fighter on the
Nice body by Deniega pero ni-counter agad nitong si Malajika.
looking for a fighter.
Well, if you're going to look at the clean punches landed
Body shot again by Deniega.
Charlton Malajika,
Without a doubt. Swing and a miss from Deniega.
Yung 1-1-2 ni Deniega hindi na talaga tumatama. Kasi naaaral na ni Malajika na pag ganyang estilo, magdadak na lang siya.
but he's still there standing in front of you as dangerous as ever. Arvi Deniega from the Philippines.
Brilliantly conditioned, nuggety, strong, takes a punch well. Good movement as well. But as you say, looking for something a little one-dimensionally, and while not offering too much in the way of jabs and establishing himself, it's just, well, there are a couple of jabs from Deniega, but it's mostly that left hand he's looking to
Uy,
throw.
nice. Tumama si Kabayan doon.
That comes from Malajika. It's much more
Pero isang suntok lang mga idol ang makapagbago sa laban na ito mga idol.
the target as well.
Isang solidong suntok lang ni Kabayan. Kasi knockout puncher rin itong si Arvi Deniega.
But he's got a tough man in front of him.
Uy, na-corner si Kabayan. Lead straight.
The shake of the head from Deniega, and that's always a sign that you have been hurt, Brian.
Sunod-sunod na lead.
Seconds call from
Uy, yun, tumama.
a great job so far.
Tumama yun ang solido.
Between the two boxers, watch the head, says Dion.
Ito na mga idol. Round number 7.
He's the second of the men from the Philippines, Arvi Crusher Deniega. Sort of
Uy, nice straight by
Malajika almost
tumama pa lang overhand ni Arvi Deniega dun. Pero inabsorb lang ni Malajika ng
Well, Mascari as well, given us
Maganda.
management
parang walang lang nangyari.
before the fight. Off air, obviously, and they said Daniega's a good fighter, and we can see that.
shipping a lot of punches.
Maski tinatamaan dito ni si Kabayan ng ng solido pero patuloy pa rin lumalaban.
Collecting a lot of punches here is Arvi Crusher Deniega. A little bit of a blood in the
Hindi talaga pumunta dito si Deniega sa Africa para lang matalo.
takes a left hand or right hand.
May goal talaga siyang manalo.
Another right hand.
Kaso matindi lang ang accuracy nitong Afrikano tapos mas malaki pa sa kanya. Oh, tumama yun. Sumango ang ulo.
One for you, one for me. Good punches from Daniega.
Matibay lang talaga ang panga nitong Afrikano na to mga idol.
What he needs to do here, can't take charge of the center of the ring where he finds himself now, and he's got to start landing those big punches, since he does possess some good power, as you know from his knock.
Dumugo na naman ang ilong ni Kabayan mga idol.
In the fight game, Kevin Evans, I'm gonna
Huminto na yon kaninang round number 6. Ngayon dumugo na naman
great from Lonnie.
kasi tinamaan agad ata ng solid.
The jab is the secret. You need to have a good jab to win any big boxing fight. And Charlton Malajika is using the jab well tonight.
Straight.
He is
Biniyak ang depensa ni Kabayan dun sa straight ni Malajika.
more than comfortably.
Oh, 1 minute left of the 7th round in the scheduled 10 round fight. The IBO Youth World Title. Charlton Malajika from Southfield, South Africa.
Grabe, busy talaga itong si Malajika sa jab. Nagja-jab talaga, hindi nakakalimot mag-jab.
RB Daniega from the Philippines.
Kaya naman yun, tumama ng solido na naman.
Top from Daniega.
Uy, nice.
Best punch of this round, certainly, maybe one of his best punches of the fight from Denny Yeager. Catches Malajika with another left hand. It's his go-to punch, has to be his go-to punch.
Pero ang kaibahan lang dito ni Kabayan is tumatama siya ng solido sa Afrikano tapos hindi lang niya napapaluapan kagad.
To win the round.
No blood in the nose of Denny Yeager with 20 seconds remaining in round number 7 of the scheduled 10. Certainly is a battle royale here at
Yun, tumama na naman sa isang right hook si Diniega.
This is proper.
10 seconds, wait for the bell.
This is a world
Pero napaka-accurate ng jab nitong si Malajika. Oh,
vacant world title.
kaya naman tumutulo ng dugo sa ilong ni Diniega kasi paulit-ulit na tinatamaan ng jab. Ito na mga idol, round number 8.
third man in the ring is Dion Twart from
Last 3 rounds.
one boxer trains in Edenvale, the other that comes from the Philippines.
So far maganda naman ang pinapakita dito ni Kabayan sa laban pero sadya lang talagang matibay itong Afrikano
And no doubt in the
na kinakaya lang niya ang power ni Daniega.
next 5 rounds it's going to be just as classic as what we've seen so far.
Nice body by Daniega pero tingnan mo ang ganti ng Afrikano. 4 na suntok agad ang ganti sa isang suntok lang tumama.
3 rounds remaining. But the action and the entertainment that we've been able to observe tonight has been classic.
Problema talaga ni Daniega dito ang accurate na jabs ng Afrikano. Oh, paulit-ulit na tinatamaan yung ilong niya eh.
The punches from Malajika are incredible.
He throws a double right.
Nice straight by Daniega. Double straight, tumama rin.
Left hand back. What a fight.
Almost like Denny Yeager
Oh, nice counter by Daniega.
just doesn't stop coming forward.
There's a pressure cooker of note. Malajika's being smarter.
Double jab by Daniega. Oh, Malajika. Yun. Namaan na naman si Daniega ng solid na
The jab's good.
jab.
Watch your feet, guys.
Daniega takes everything Malajika gives
Nice.
back with that big left hand. Ever dangerous.
Yan talaga ang naging problema ni Daniega, ang jab nitong si Malajika.
Charlton Malajika is much as what he's throwing good
Kasi hindi siya nakakat na masyado nito sa Afrikano eh. Kasi nahaharangan siya ng jab eh.
Relax your punches, stop punches, stop
Massive
punches,
cut
stop
on the
punches.
left eye of RB Daniega.
Uy, may tama na ang kaliwang mata ni Daniega mga idol. Parang may cut.
opponent here,
Accidental head clash ata.
Philippines, and he'll know it's
Untugan sa ulo.
the day after as well that he's been involved in a bit of a brawl here.
Yep. Absolute brawl of note. South Africa
Uy, yun, tumama si Daniega.
Stop punches, stop punches, stop punches. Watch your weight. It's set back.
Dion Twati is a very good referee and he's taking no nonsense out there. So there's a big cut.
Nice. Yun, tumama si Daniega. Uy! Ala! Oh! Nahulog! Nahulog!
Curse of Denny Yeager.
Ah, sabi ni ref, nadulas daw. Pero delikado yun, nahulog. Tumutulo na talaga ang dugo sa kaliwang mata ni Daniega.
But there's blood all over the face.
Muntikan ng mahulog si Kabayan.
Must Charlton Malajika have gained.
Buti na lang sinabi ni ref na nadulas lang daw.
Yeah, definitely. But he's got to keep his hands up on Malajika because Daniega can punch.
Uy, tinamaan ng straight. Sulit yun na straight. Pero kumaunter si Kabayan. Yun, alog sing Afrikano. Naligtas lang ng bell mga idol.
left hook, and down he goes.
That's a knockdown.
That's a knockdown.
Yun, munti ka nang mahulog dyan si Kabayan, no?
Situation to
Buti na lang nasalo. Ito na mga idol, round number 9. Last 2 rounds.
Daniega from the Philippines.
Uh,
Round number 9.
It's been a phenomenal performance so far. Talk about legends of the game. I mean, you have to look at Jeff Ellis from his boxing days to his organizing days now of these boxing events. Jeff Ellis has to go down as one of the legends of boxing in this country.
Uy,
Left hand.
sobrang lakas yun.
He almost telegraphed it though.
Pero hinando lang ni Malajika ng mabuti ang tamang yun. Sobrang lakas yun mga idol, pero matigas lang talaga ang panga nitong Afrikano.
Worked on the board in VSA. Obviously, involved with Golden Gloves in coordinating these functions. His boxing diet, yes, Jeff Ellis has done it all. Back in the action, Chalta Malajika is fighting a classy fight.
Best punch of the round is Monty Deniega though in the opening seconds of round number 9 of a schedule 10. But Malajika once again
Nag-aantayan na ang dalawang boksingero dito mga idol. Kung sino ang unang magkakamali sa laban.
came off the glove of the right hand of Deniega. Goes to the
Sunod na body, tinira ni Malajika sa Pinoy mga idol.
He says, bring it on.
Yep.
Good straight right to the body from Malajika. Daniega says,
Uy,
nope, you haven't hurt me.
katawan na naman.
It's interesting that Malajika is going to the body now suddenly.
Yun,
On the left hand from Deniega.
ganun pala ang plano ni Diniega. Kaya dumistansya. Isang malakasang overhand.
It's not one, and yeah, there's a cut above the left eye of Deniega. The doctor's been called by referee Dion Duarte, and they called it an accidental headbutt that led to the cut in the first place. So Deniega
Malaki na rin itong tama sa
becomes a draw.
kaliwang mata ni Diniega.
Do they go to the
No,
scorecards?
go to the scorecard.
Okay, well, in that case,
If it goes past 6 rounds, it goes to the scorecard.
Ah.
So whoever's ahead on points for one, obviously. Thank you.
inside doctor having a look at the eye.
Oh, malaki itong tama ni Diniega sa kaliwang mata mga idol.
Title fight, there it goes.
Lumalim habang tumatagal ang laban.
Towards the corner of the eye of Deniega. So any blood coming out of there might trickle away from the eye.
Sinabi ng referee isa lang yung accidental headbutt.
The ringside doctor allows this bout to continue. 1 minute
Uy.
remaining in round number 9.
Double leg punch by Malajika.
1 minute remaining in total. Will it be Deniega? Will it be Malajika? Come the final reckoning. A little bit of a quieter round here between these two. Nice right hand.
Pero kalmado ang dalawang boksingero dito sa round na ito mga idol. Hindi walang masyadong aksyon na ginaganap. Parang nagpapahinga sila.
Keep that big left hand, Daniega, and very dangerous as Malajika lands a double right. I like what Malajika is doing with the right hand. He's doubling up on it.
That's a bit unorthodox,
Uy.
but it's working in another double right hand from Charlton.
27 seconds left of the penultimate round. Another good round for Chalta Malajika. He's really walking his man down.
Uy, nice.
Left hand.
Tumama na naman. Isang magandang kaliwa na naman ang tumama.
Which with some force as well. Never takes his eyes off his opponent, Deniega.
Stop punching.
Manny Fernandez says to Charlton, you have to move.
Ito yung nahulog si Diniega sa ring, oh. I mean, mumunti ka ng mahulog.
Some fantastic
Doon, oh.
there, Kevin.
Buti na lang nasalo siya doon sa
Surely isn't
sa mga nasa table ng komisyon. Buti lang nasalo siya. Kaya hindi siya nahulog ng tuluyan. Ito na mga idol, final round. Round number 10.
expect all action to come in the final 3 rounds.
Kailangan pala dito ni Diniega na mapakita na impresibo sa laban na ito mga idol. Sa round na ito.
Left hand, Daniega. He hasn't gone anywhere.
Or kailangan na rin niyang i-knock out talaga itong si Malajika para manalo sa laban.
10th and final round of this World Championship fight for the IBO Youth World title. The title is vacant. Who's going to take it on the judges' scorecards? I've got Chalta Malajika a couple of points up. But let's see what the three neutral judges around the ringside will decide.
Now it's going to be fascinating indeed as Malajika avoids that left hand bomb from Deniega. 2 minutes
Uy,
remaining.
tumama na naman.
Championship on the line. And a reputation to follow.
Uy, nice. Tumama si Diniega.
Which one of them would suffer their second defeat of their professional careers?
Yeah, will only be the second defeat of one of these fighters here tonight.
Diniega gets caught coming forward.
Diyan talaga ang kailangan ni Diniega, isang malaking suntok na tumama para manalo via knockout. Kasi ba parang dehado na siya sa scorecards dito.
That's a youth world title.
If this is what these two fighters promise for a youth title, just imagine in a few years what they would promise in the full capacity of a world's title.
Body shot. Nice. Tumama. Pero bumawa din itong si Malajika ng kanyang sariling combo.
Another good left hand, Daniaga.
Nice upper. Yun.
It's caught with the left hand from Charlton.
He's been loading up the whole night.
Oh, nice body by Diniega.
Malajika.
Uy, sabay na naman. Sabayan talaga. Patibayan talaga itong laban na ito, mga idol.
Charlton Malajika will want a fast
Kung sinong unang aayaw sa laban.
the man from the Philippines and
Oh.
both of them look to trade punches.
Tumatama dito si RV Diniega sa huling round ng solid, mga idol.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Pareho ang dalawang boksingero na tumatama.
you hear the crowd shouting, Charlton, Charlton. He must keep his hands up.
Uy, tinamaan sa kabayan. Ooh.
Diniega's never looked as if he's been in trouble.
Uy, nice body by Diniega.
Malajika left hand
Pero na corner siya, delikado dapat delikado, baka ihinto ng referee ang laban.
Diniega's in huge trouble.
Kailangan talaga hindi siya magpapa-corner. Yun, tumama na naman.
For the last time.
Grabe, ang ganda ng laban, mga idol.
Natalo si Arbit Diniega via 10th round unanimous decision. Bagaman natalo ang ating kababayan, ay pinakita naman ng Pinoy ang tapang nito at hindi umatras sa laban. At pinahirapan nito ang 8-time amateur champion. Anong masasabi mo sa naging laban ng ating kababayan? Ibigay ang iyong komento sa baba at huwag kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe sa ating channel. Maraming salamat po.